Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are in good health and taking great care of yourself. Welcome back to our English grammar class. As you all know that we started chapter number 12 simple past tense and past continuous tense in the previous video, and we already learnt when to use simple past tense and how are regular and irregular verbs differentiated or categorized, right? So now before moving ahead with the exercises of simple past tense, I would just like to revise what is simple past tense and when are we going to use. So here, past tense. When do we use the past tense? We use past tense when we talk about completed actions in the past. That means something which happened in the past or which is already completed. When we talk about such actions, at that time we use past tense. For example, I washed my car yesterday. So here, students, you can see that the word washed is underlined, and that is the verb, or you can say the action word, and the action word has to be in the past form. मतलब verb तीन forms में आता है. The first one is present, second is past, and third is past participle. So for past tense we are going to use the second form, that is past form. तो wash जो है वो present tense है, and when we add ed along with it, then it becomes washed. So as we learnt earlier that in regular verbs we add ed or d or ied to change the present form of the verb into the past tense. जैसे कि हमने इसके अंदर किया है, wash present tense है, उसमें हमने ed add कर दिया है. So this is past tense of the verb, and it is also a regular verb. लेकिन दूसरा सेंटेंस देखो, she ate pizza last night. So here the word ate is the past tense of verb eat. So here you can see that we changed the whole word. जो present form में है वो क्या होता है, verb eat, और past tense में क्या हो गया, ate. तो यहाँ पे हमने पूरा word ही change कर दिया है. So when there are such changes where we can't add ed or d or ied, उस verbs को हम irregular verbs कहते हैं. Okay, so washed is considered to be regular verb and ate is an irregular verb. So we have already learned this. So I would just like to request you to open your textbook, page number 60. We would be carrying out the exercise A. So let's see exercise A. Cross out the wrong words from the options to make correct sentences in simple past. So we have to make this sentence into simple past. So we need to find out the right answer and cross out the wrong one. That means गलत वाले के ऊपर cross करना है. ठीक है? So let's see the first one. Zhuangzhang traveled or traveling very long distances to reach India. So here there are two verbs, traveled and traveling. Traveling is ing form, जो past tense में नहीं आता है simple past में, ठीक है, बट ed वाला जो form है वो सही है. So Zhuangzhang traveled very long distances to reach India. Second one, he didn't feel or felt discouraged by the distance. So यहाँ पे ये कौन से टाइप का सेंटेंस है, वी ऑलरेडी स्टडीड, इट्स अ नेगेटिव सेंटेंस. और जब हम नेगेटिव सेंटेंस बनाते हैं वी हैव टू यूज डिड अलॉन्ग विथ इट. ओके, सो हियर ये नेगेटिव है इसीलिए डिड नॉट यूज हुआ है. एंड एज आई टॉट यू बिफोर दैट व्हेन वी यूज डिड, उसके साथ जो वर्ब आता है उसे हमें बेस फॉर्म में रखना है, मतलब प्रेजेंट फॉर्म में रखना है. ठीक है, सो यहाँ पर फील प्रेजेंट फॉर्म है और फेल्ट पास्ट टेंस है, लेकिन जब हमने ऑलरेडी डिड यूज़ कर लिया है इसी वजह से हमें वर्ब का पास्ट टेंस नहीं यूज़ करना है. वी आर नॉट गोइंग टू यूज़ फेल्ट, वी आर गोइंग टू यूज़ feel because we have already used didn't in the sentence. So remember students, whenever you are using did in the sentence, that means your action word or your verb would be in base form, that is present form. Okay, let's see the third one. Did he wrote or write many books? So here again we have used the word did. It's a question and we normally make a question with did in the past tense. Remember we are just studying about past tense right now. ठीक है, तो हमें did use करना है past tense में. Did he wrote or write many books? Now here wrote is the past tense and write is the base form, that is present form. तो हमें डिड यूज़ किया हुआ है तो हमें कौन सा फॉर्म यूज़ करना पड़ेगा? वी हैव टू यूज़ द प्रेजेंट फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब. दैट मीन्स वी आर गोइंग टू राइट डिड ही राइट मैनी बुक्स. नाउ लेट्स सी द नेक्स्ट वन. डिड ही met or meet many kings? Again a question which starts with did. So when we are using did, हमारा वर्ब कौन से फॉर्म में होगा? It has to be in the base form. So met is the past tense, तो उसे हम कट करेंगे और we are going to use meet. तो हमारा right formation क्या होगा? Did he meet many kings? Now fifth one. He go or went to Nalanda University. So here this is a simple statement. So when we are making a simple statement, at that time we have to use the past tense of the verb, that is the second form. So go present form है या फिर base form है और went past tense है. go का past tense क्या होता है? went होता है. तो हमें यहाँ क्या use करना पड़ेगा? went. So we are going to cut go. तो right formation क्या होगा? He went to the Nalanda University. Now second exercise over here is change the sentences below as directed. यहाँ पे oral practice लिखा हुआ है but ऐसा नहीं होगा. You have to write the answer over there as I have written. So let's start this exercise. Now you need to make sure one important thing, that this kind of exercise can come in exams also. Okay, so here this is only related to simple past and past continuous और ये specifically past tense के related है. ठीक है, so ऐसे ही sentences मैं आपको दूसरे चैप्टर्स के भी दे सकती हूँ. चैप्टर नंबर 11, 12, 13 एंड 14, जहाँ पर आपको ब्रैकेट में इंस्ट्रक्शन मिलेगा. जैसे कि वी विल सी द फर्स्ट वन ओवर हियर. ग्रामा डिड नॉट एन्जॉय द बुक. नाउ हियर यू हैव टू मेक अ क्वेश्चन. सो यू नो कि आपको क्या इंस्ट्रक्शंस मिले हैं, कि आपको क्वेश्चन बनाना है इस सेंटेंस का. ठीक है, तो आप सेंटेंस बनाओगे अभी इसका. So how are we going to make a sentence? Now make sure this is a negative statement. So the question that would be formed would also be a negative sentence. You can see here. Didn't Grandma enjoy the book? So यहाँ पे हमने didn't पहले ले लिया है. Just like we need to do it when we are making a question. And enjoy का enjoy ही रहेगा because we have already used did in the sentence. So enjoy is the present form of the verb. And don't forget to put the question mark. Now let's see the second one. She took the dog out for a walk. Now here, what is the verb in the sentence? The sentence of the verb is took, जो past tense है. And what are we going to do now? We need to turn it into a negative sentence. So when we will make a negative sentence, what we are going to use? Didn't. और उसके साथ जो आपका verb होगा वो कौन से form में होना चाहिए? It has to be in the present form. So took past tense है और present form क्या है उसका? Take. तो हमारा sentence क्या होगा? She didn't take the dog out for a walk. Okay. Now third one. Post wrote an essay. So here what is the verb? Wrote. ठीक है, and we have to turn it into a negative sentence. So we will use didn't. And didn't के साथ हमारा जो wrote है verb वो past form में है, तो हमें present form में क्या लिखना पड़ेगा? Write. So our answer would be Post didn't write an essay. Now next one. Fourth, they didn't climb the wall. So here, what is the verb? The verb over here is climb, and it is in the present form because we have used didn't along with it. Okay, now when we turn it into positive, we will remove didn't, और जब ये didn't निकल जाएगा तो ये सेंटेंस के अंदर हमें ed ऐड करना पड़ेगा वर्ब में, क्योंकि ये सेंटेंस कौन से टेंस में है? पास्ट टेंस में है. ठीक है, अभी ये आपको देखना होगा कि वो सेंटेंस कौन से टेंस में है. जैसे कि हमने ये देखा, दे डिडंट क्लाइम द वॉल, दैट मीन्स डिड यूज़ हुआ है, और डिड हम किसके लिए यूज़ करते हैं? पास्ट टेंस के लिए. सो ये सेंटेंस हमारा कौन से टेंस में हुआ? पास्ट टेंस. सो व्हेन वी टर्न इट इनटू पॉजिटिव, we are going to write they climbed the wall. So the verb climb, which is a present form, becomes climbed. Okay, now let's move on to the next one. They swam in the lake. Now when we are making a question, we will use did, right? And the verb over here is swam. वो swam पास्ट टेंस है और उसका प्रेजेंट टेंस हो जाएगा स्विम. सो आवर आंसर वुड बी डिड दे स्विम इन द लेक. नेक्स्ट वन, डिड जीटी प्लांट दोज ट्रीज. You need to make into positive sentence. So we are not going to make a question, we are going to make a statement. So when we make a statement, we don't need to use did. तो सबसे पहले तो did निकल जाएगा, और यहाँ पे वर्ब क्या है? प्लांट, दैट इज़ प्रेजेंट फॉर्म, तो उसका हमें पास्ट फॉर्म यूज़ करना पड़ेगा क्योंकि ये पास्ट टेंस है. सो द आंसर वुड बी जीटी प्लांटेड दोज ट्रीज. So students, I hope you are clear with this exercise, and make sure to write down answers just like I have written over here. Okay, now let's move on to the next topic, that is past continuous. So when are we going to use past continuous? We use past continuous to talk about an activity that was going on or not going on at a particular time in the past. That means, first of all, remember continuous, what does it represent? The activity that is going on. Okay, continuous का मतलब ही वही होता है कि वो वही चीज़ बताता है जो एक्शन चालू है या फिर नहीं चालू है. ठीक है, तो हम जब पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस की बात करते हैं, दैट मीन्स दैट एक्शन माइट बी गोइंग ऑन इन द पास्ट और इट माइट नॉट बी गोइंग ऑन इन द पास्ट. सो रिमेंबर वन थिंग, कंटिन्यूअस का मतलब होता है वी हैव टू यूज वर्ब प्लस ing. Okay, what are we going to write in the continuous form? When we make a continuous form, पास्ट कंटिन्यूस फॉर्म जब बनता है उस टाइम पे हमें यूज़ करना है वॉज और वर, और हमारा जो वर्ब होगा वो कौन से फॉर्म में आ जाएगा? वर्ब ing. ओके, सो दिस इज द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस, वॉज और वर प्लस वर्ब ing. हम वॉज यूज़ करते हैं सिंगुलर के लिए, थर्ड पर्सन, फर्स्ट पर्सन एंड थर्ड पर्सन सिंगुलर we use was, and we use were for second person singular plural and first and third person plural. So let's see the sentences over here. So remember, past continuous tense कब use होता है? We use past tense when we talk about an activity that was going on or not going on at a particular time in the past. Okay, so we are talking about the activity which might be going on or not going on in the past. So remember this thing. So let's read the sentence. I was reading a book yesterday. So here, can you make out what is the verb? Well, the verb is reading, जिसको हमने यूज़ किया है READ, read प्लस ing, और साथ में हमने क्या यूज़ किया है? was, बिकॉज हमारा जो सब्जेक्ट है वो क्या है? फर्स्ट पर्सन सिंगुलर, So we will write I was reading a book yesterday. Let's see the second one. They were playing badminton in the garden then. I wasn't playing. So here there are two types of sentence. First one is positive and second one is negative. So let's see how we are going to do that. See, the first is were playing. So here the verb is playing and we have added were because our subject is third person plural. दे क्या रिप्रेजेंट करता है? थर्ड पर्सन प्लूरल. तो उसके साथ हमने क्या यूज़ किया? वर. और वर प्लेइंग लिखा है हमने. ठीक है. एंड सी द नेक्स्ट वन. आई वॉजंट प्लेइंग. सो हियर यू कैन मेक इट आउट दैट एक्शन इज बीइंग सेड कि जब बाकी सब बैडमिंटन खेल रहे थे एट दैट टाइम मैं नहीं खेल रही थी. सो हियर दिस एक्शन इज नॉट बीइंग कैरिड आउट, दैट टू इन पास्ट. पास्ट में वो एक्शन नहीं हो रही थी. राइट. सो ing वाला वर्ब है दैट इज प्लेइंग एंड wasn't है. wasn't shows negative sentence and we have used was because our subject is first person singular. Okay, so I hope you are clear. When do we use past continuous? Now let's see using of past continuous tense. So as I told you that when we make a sentence or when we make a sentence into a past continuous tense, what are we going to do? We will add was or were plus verb ing. Okay, now let's see how to make positive sentence and negative sentences. Okay, as you see over here, when we are using you, we or they, उसके साथ पॉजिटिव स्टेटमेंट्स में हम क्या लिखेंगे? वर वर्किंग. तो हमने जैसे मैंने आपको पहले बताया, वी आर गोइंग टू यूज वर विथ सेकेंड पर्सन सिंगुलर और प्लूरल और थर्ड पर्सन एंड फर्स्ट पर्सन प्लूरल. मतलब वर यूज़ किया जाता है प्लूरल सब्जेक्ट्स के साथ और वॉज यूज़ किया जाता है सिंगुलर सब्जेक्ट के साथ. ठीक है. सो यू हैव टू रिमेंबर दैट सेकेंड पर्सन के साथ हमें हमेशा वर यूज़ करना है. यू के साथ वर ही जाएगा, यू वॉज नहीं लिख सकते हम लोग. ठीक है. सो यू वर वर्किंग, वी वर वर्किंग एंड दे वर वर्किंग. एंड व्हेन वी मेक अ नेगेटिव सेंटेंस वी आर गोइंग टू ऐड नॉट अलॉन्ग विथ इट. जैसे यहाँ है वरंट वर्किंग और वर नॉट वर्किंग. यू वरंट वर्किंग, दे वरंट वर्किंग और वी वरंट वर्किंग. ठीक है. और हम आई ही शी इट के लिए यूज़ करेंगे वॉज वर्किंग और नेगेटिव में यूज़ करेंगे वॉजेंट वर्किंग. सो आई रिप्रेजेंट्स फर्स्ट पर्सन सिंगुलर एंड ही शी इट रिप्रेजेंट्स थर्ड पर्सन सिंगुलर. तो याद रखना है सिंगुलर के लिए वॉज और प्लूरल के लिए वर. लेकिन यू के साथ हम हमेशा वर ही यूज़ करते हैं, वो सिंगुलर हो या प्लूरल. ठीक है. नाउ लेट्स लर्न हाउ टू मेक क्वेश्चंस out of in the past continuous tense. So here when we are making a question जहाँ पे subject हमारा plural है, ठीक है, या फिर you यूज़ किया हुआ है, तो हमें पहले क्या यूज़ करना है? were. ठीक है. जैसे हमने सिंपल पास्ट टेंस में देखा कि जब हम क्वेश्चन बनाते हैं what did we used to do, we bring did before. ठीक है. लेकिन कंटिन्यूअस के अंदर हम डिड यूज़ नहीं करते हैं, हम वॉज और वर ही यूज़ करते हैं. ठीक है. सो हियर व्हेन वी आर गोइंग विथ सेकेंड पर्सन सिंगुलर प्लूरल दैट इज़ यू एंड फर्स्ट एंड थर्ड पर्सन प्लूरल दैट इज़ वी एंड दे. तो हम पहले लिखेंगे वर, यू, वी और दे और उसके बाद आएगा हमारा एक्शन वर्ब जो है ing फॉर्म में. सो वर यू वर्किंग या फिर वर दे वर्किंग और वर वी वर्किंग. इन द सेम वे सेकेंड वन वॉज के साथ है, तो हम वॉज के साथ वॉज किसके साथ यूज़ होगा? सिंगुलर के साथ. दैट इज सिंगुलर फर्स्ट एंड थर्ड पर्सन आई, ही, शी एंड इट. सो वॉज आई वर्किंग और वॉज शी वर्किंग. एंड यू कैन सी ओवर हियर द वर्ब वर्क बिकम्स वर्किंग. मतलब वर्क के साथ हमने क्या ऐड कर दिया? ing. So I hope you are clear with past continuous tense also. So now let's move on to exercise C. What were these people doing yesterday? Look at the pictures and write the sentences using appropriate verbs in the past continuous form. So the pictures are given behind on page 62. We would be looking at that, and we have to form a sentence which is in past continuous form. मतलब आपको कौन सा फॉर्मेट यूज रखना है? was or were plus verb ing. ठीक है? So you need to remember this thing. Now let's move on. I would request you to turn the page on page 62. So here the first image over here is, what can you see? The children, they are dancing. लेकिन हमें कौन से फॉर्म में बनाना है सेंटेंस? पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस में. तो हमारा आंसर क्या होना चाहिए? The children were dancing. So here you can see कि हमने were यूज़ किया है, children है इसलिए, that is plural, and dancing, that is dancing is verb ing of dance plus ing. Okay, so the children were dancing. Now let's see the second image. What does second image shows here? Well, we can see that a girl is walking or taking his pet dog to a park or a garden. So what can be the sentence made over here? Neha was walking her dog. So here you can just give any other name. Okay, and what is she doing? She is walking her dog. Walking मतलब चला रही है अपने डॉग को, और नेहा सिंगुलर है, थर्ड पर्सन, इसीलिए हमने was यूज़ किया हुआ है. ठीक है, और walk का हो जाएगा walking. Now third one, you can see the image in your book. One family is enjoying their tea, right? Or they might be watching TV. So let's see what is the sentence over here. The Sharmas were enjoying themselves. यहाँ पे आप कोई भी नाम दे सकते हो. ठीक है. Now Sharmas, that means the whole family, and that is plural. ठीक है, the Sharmas is plural, and so we have used were along with it, and enjoying, that is enjoy plus ing. ठीक है. The Sharmas were enjoying themselves. Now the last one. What is the last image over here? Well, you can see the girls skipping the rope, or you can just say that they are playing. So you can write the sentence, the girls were playing. तो यहाँ पे girls क्या है आपका? थर्ड पर्सन प्लूरल, एंड सो अलॉन्ग विथ इट हमने क्या यूज़ किया है? were और playing, जो play plus ing का फॉर्म है. The girls were playing. You can write the answers by yourself, okay, but make sure that your sentences are in past continuous. Now let's move on to the next exercise. This is a famous painting by Peter Bruegel in 1562 called Landscape with the Fall of Icarus. It is based on a Greek legend. Find out what you can about Icarus. Look at the painting carefully and discuss with your partner what was happening when Icarus fell. Add more if you can think of them. Can you spot Icarus in the painting? Okay, so here there is a story about Icarus, and according to the Greek legend, Icarus and his father Daedalus were imprisoned by King Minos of Crete. So the king named Minos imprisoned means put them into jail, both of them, the father and the son. To escape, Daedalus built 2 pairs of wings. So to escape from the prison, Daedalus made 2 pairs of wings out of wax and also the feathers. He warned his son not to fly too close to the sea or sun. Icarus was too ambitious and flew closer to the sun. The heat melted the wax and Icarus fell into the sea. So when they decided to escape, the father told him to Icarus that do not go closer to the sun, because as the wings were made of wax, so obviously it would start melting when it goes near sun because of the sun's heat. But Icarus was too ambitious. He wanted to go to near the sun, and so he flew towards the sun, and the wax melted, the feathers and the wings melted off, and he dropped down into the sea. He fell into the sea. So related to this, we have to write some sentences that what happened when Icarus fell into the water. So we can see over here there are some sentences, and as this story happened in past, so when Icarus fell, मतलब जब वो गिर रहा था तब कौन कौन सी activities चल रही थी, right? So we are going to write all the sentences in past continuous tense. So when Icarus fell, let's see the first one. A farmer. What was he doing? He was tilling the land. The farmer was tilling the land. So here you can see farmer के साथ हमने was use किया है because it is third person singular, and tilling is the verb in the ing form. The second one is few ships. So what were few ships doing at that time? The few ships were sailing in the sea. So you can see we have used were because ships represent third person plural. Now let's see the third one. A few sheep. Now this sheep is also plural form, right? हम ship singular हो या plural उसका spelling same ही रहता है, ठीक है? So here a few sheep, that means these are plural again, and so we are going to use were grazing. The next one is a bird. So what is a bird doing at that time? So you can write, the bird was flying in the sky. What was bird doing? The bird was flying in the sky. And the last one is shepherd. So what was shepherd doing? A shepherd was looking at the sky. So shepherd was looking. Shepherd is again third person singular, इसीलिए हमने उसके साथ was use किया है, and the verb look becomes looking, that is look plus ing. So students, I hope that you are clear with simple past and past continuous tense. So I request you to complete the exercises in your textbook. I would be sending you the PDF of this chapter in the group. Till then, take care and see you soon.